I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump box to start a car. First, ensure your jump box is fully charged. A good rule of thumb is to check its indicator lights. Next, position the jump box on a stable, flat surface, keeping it clear of any engine components. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Finally, confirm that both the dead vehicle and any assisting vehicle are completely turned off and in park or neutral before proceeding. Now let's connect the cables. Take the red, positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your car's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis, far away from the battery itself. This creates a good ground connection. Always double-check that all connections are firm and not touching any other metal components. With the cables connected, it's time to start the engine. Turn on your jump box, following its specific instructions. Then, attempt to start the dead car, cranking the engine for no more than 5 to 10 seconds at a time. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few minutes to allow the jump box to recover its power before trying again. Avoid cranking continuously for more than 30 seconds in total to prevent damage to the starter motor. Congratulations, your car should now be running. The next crucial step is disconnecting the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block or chassis. Then, carefully disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Allow your car to run for at least 15 to 20 minutes to give the battery some time to recharge. Finally, it's always a good idea to have your battery and charging system professionally checked to prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.